Happy Saturday, everybody. Just got done detailing out my truck here, old Aqua Pearl. Call her Aqua Pearl because she leaks water like crazy. But I think I got all that fixed. When I say leaks water, I mean leaks in the cab. But she's pearl white, so that's the name, Aqua Pearl. Anyways, I detailed it and I used this, so you can see here, this J. Leno's Garage sprayable ceramic coating. This stuff is awesome. Watch this. This stuff, water does not stick to it at all. You ready? Watch this, Emma. Didn't even stick to it at all. Have a good Saturday, guys.